everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's another unboxing video. But before that, let me give you a brief description. This microphone is suitable especially for studios, recording studios, broadcasting stations, stage performances, and computer. So let's find out what's inside the box. You can actually choose any color like black and silver, black and gold, or red and silver. But for me, I prefer black and gold for more professional look. Inside the box, there is user manual, your guide how to set up your microphone. Next, we've got sound card or a TRS splitter. If your device or phone or laptop only has a single microphone or audio input, this will be the one to connect. And of course, the actual microphone itself. There it is, looking so classy. It has a gold-plated steel. Also, we've got the wind filter or the foam cap. It's the foam on the top of the microphone. Next thing we've got here is the shock mount. This can hold the actual microphone and to prevent vibration and your audio will not gonna mess up. Also, it comes with the adjustable microphone stand. It's really simple where we can adjust in any direction. Next is the mic clamp, but this is optional as I love to use the shock mount. Next thing is the table clamp. You can easily attach any screw at the edge of the table where you can put your mic stand. Also, it comes with the actual microphone cable. So over here, we've got XLR and it goes into this 3.5mm jack. And the last thing included is the pop filter or pop shield. It makes the audio clear and it's got with flexible arm and a clamp where you can attach on the microphone stand and set in front of the microphone. That's all for today's unboxing. Make sure guys to subscribe and hit the bell so you will be notified. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick look of the BM800 Condenser Microphone. This is a budget-friendly microphone.